Hey loves, if you want to see how I make this light and natural strengthening treatment to maintain strong, healthy hair, keep watching. This video is associated with my September hair challenge, which will start on September 1st. So if you are interested in joining, head over to the Healthy Hair Lounge on Facebook. It's a growing community where we'll track our progress and journey to perfect hair together. Details will be left down below in the description bar. All right, let's jump into this video. Starting with 1/4 a cup of AMLA powder. AMLA powder is excellent for hair growth. It also helps with preserving your curls and it conditions your scalp. It's just an overall good product. Next, I'm adding 1/4 a cup of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a serious hair healer. It repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. It conditions your hair. It imparts shine and it promotes growth. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder. Y'all know I love Moringa powder. It is a superfood that yields wonderful, amazing results. It stimulates hair growth. It nourishes your hair. It fights against damaging free radicals, and the list goes on. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek hair oil. As you know, I'm absolutely obsessed with this oil. Fenugreek has amazing hair growth, hair maintenance properties. I'll insert a card here for that recipe. Definitely check it out. If you don't have this oil, go ahead and sub it with a hair oil that your hair loves. It's no big deal if you don't use this. The treatment will work all the same. Finally, I'll add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using this mayonnaise, which has avocado oil in it. However, you can use any mayonnaise. This is the secret ingredient that gives this mask its strengthening properties. It contains eggs and oils, which help with thickening hair follicles, conditioning and strengthening your hair, as well as correcting heat damage. So once you've mixed all these things together, you'll continue to stir it until it's completely smooth, and then you'll apply it to your hair. You'll cover your hair with a processing cap or a plastic bag. You'll tie a hair scarf or put a hat over your head and let this marinate for 45 minutes to an hour, and then you're ready to rinse your hair out. That's all I have for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't joined the hair challenge already, go ahead and check that out. Details will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.